stirring your flour and then scooping it into your dry measuring cup. Once you slightly overfill your dry measuring cup, you will take the flat side of your knife and level. Starting about halfway through your flour, push any excess flour back into the original flour container. You can then pour your flour directly into your bowl or mug. Sugar is a little easier in that you don't need to stir or scoop your flour. You can just scoop it directly out of the container and then level with the flat side of a knife. Once again, pour it directly into your bowl or your mug. For cocoa powder, you simply just take the 1 tablespoon and scoop it out of the cocoa container, level with a knife, and then repeat for a second tablespoon. Make sure you're leveling with the flat side of a knife for each tablespoon. Baking soda, you simply stick your measuring spoon into the container and level on the top of the box, and then you guessed it, add it into your bowl or mug. For salt, you're going to scoop out your salt, level with a knife. This next step is really important. You want to stir all of your dry ingredients so there's no white streaks. This should take a significant amount of time. For your liquid ingredients, such as milk, you're just going to scoop out or pour in 3 tablespoons, measuring each one individually. And then you'll repeat the process for water, taking either 2 tablespoons of water and oil out of a bowl, such as I'm doing here, or you can pour it over a separate mixing bowl. Lastly, you're going to add in your vanilla, and then you're going to thoroughly stir all of your wet ingredients together, making sure there's no dry streaks. It should look like thick chocolate soup. Then you're going to tap off the excess batter and place your fork on a paper towel. And then you're going to place a paper towel on the bottom of your microwave, place your mug on top, press time cook 115 to start, and that will start your microwave. You're going to stay by your microwave, and when the timer goes off, you're going to leave your chocolate cake in the microwave for 1 additional minute, and then carefully remove your cake, and you can eat it right away.